What's up, guys? Cap Outdoors. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to change your inserts for your Ballista Sting bolts. Okay. Ballista Sting bolt. Swapping out these aluminum inserts for these steel inserts. What you're going to need, you're going to need glue, pliers, and a lighter. So for this, you're never going to want to heat up the arrow shaft. You're always going to want to heat up the insert itself. That being said, and this would be a lot easier if you had a torch, but I'm improvising today. So it's going to take a little bit longer, but that's okay. Now, while you heat it up, you're going to want to slowly turn it, like I'm doing so. And then eventually, it will heat up and melt the glue that's inside. That way you can use your pliers to pull it out. Okay. Now you're going to want to inspect, make sure there's no cracks or anything on your arrow shaft. Yep, looks good. I've already made a couple while they cooled down. So what you're going to do for this, you're going to want to take your glue, generous amount. Put it right in there. I like to hold it down for, I don't know, 5-10 seconds. And then, there it is. Now you have a hunting bolt. This will take anything from deer, boar, bear with the Ballista bat reverse and with any broadhead you want because it'll take it. Come get you some. Ballista.co. If you want yourself some of these, use Kappa Outdoors, all lowercase, for your promo code. Thank you.